Eliezer gives Rivka 2 bracelets weighing 10 gold shekels. Shnei tzmidim al yadea, asar zahav mishkalam. Rashi explains there's a remez here. Rashi brings from Chazal and Medrash Rabbah. 2 bracelets, alluding to the 2 tablets that are connected together, that are paired together. Why did they weigh 10 gold? Corresponding to the 10 commandments which are inscribed on them. But some ask, Rivka Imenu is about to build the entire Jewish nation, so she needs to know that there are 2 tablets, 10 commandments. But the fact that they're paired together, Metzumadim, that sounds like a technical detail which she can wait and see when she'll get them. Hopefully one day she'll get to see the 10 tablets. Why is it important to tell it to her now? The answer is the 10 commandments are divided into 2 sections. The right side of the tablets is all about mitzvahs between man and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Mitzvahs sheben Adam lamakoim. The left side is mitzvahs sheben Adam lachaveiroi. Mitzvahs between people. Eliezer wanted to tell Rivka, you should know, by us, it comes together. You can't separate. You can't pick and choose. You gotta do all 10, and they all have the same weight. They're all together. That's why they are paired together. They cling together. Both the mitzvahs between man and his fellow, and man and HaKadosh Baruch Hu.